starting off with Earn by Time again. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This is going to be for Starbucks, and this one is heading, I think it's at 5.5 miles. Total ended up being $9 and change for that one, and we got the next order right away. This is a Walgreens pickup. I believe it said going 6 miles.
Customer service needed in the photo department. Customer service needed in the photo department.
I don't have one. It's not here. I think someone might already picked it up.
I don't know what's going on with that, but I got an add-on while I was waiting. It's a Taco Bell going an extra 2.5 miles. So what we're going to do is contact support and figure this out, because I'm not unassigning with no pay. So the Taco Bell is gonna have to wait. Sorry.
Thank you for calling DoorDash. To continue in English, press 1. Gracias por llamar a DoorDash. Merci d'avoir appelé DoorDash.
Okay, it took forever to connect to somebody to actually speak to me, but they pretty much canceled it right away and are gonna give me half pay. I'm trying to figure out how much that is before I end their chat. All right, so they gave me $5 for half pay there. I don't know if that's accurate to the actual total, but I'm assuming it was. Anyways, we're off to Taco Bell. It's just down the street. Plus, it hasn't been that long of a wait, so they're chilling. Thank you, too. Total ended up being just under $7 for this one, and we got the next order right away. This is going to be for Starbucks going less than 3 miles.
Thank you. Have a good one.
I'm willing to put money that there's no tip on this order. Darn, I would have lost that bet. $1 tip though. We love that. That's $4 in our pocket now. Such a bad order, dude. Anyways, I got the next order. Kitchen Table Cafe going 6 miles. Oh, I know exactly where this is going just based off of their instructions only. And I'm gonna unassign this because no, I'm not driving that far for a no tip. Okay, I switched off of Earn by Time. Now I've got both apps running. Let's see if we can do better. We got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $12 going 4 miles, 4 items. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got 7-Eleven and Sherry's. $10 going just under 5 miles. Thank you.
Alrighty, my dear, there you are.
Thank you. You too. Hand to customer. Why are you doing this to me? That order turned out to be a lot more annoying than I thought it was going to be. Next up, we've got a Wendy's. This is $8 and some change going 2.5 miles.
Hello, will you be using Wendy's rewards today?
No, I have a DoorDash pickup.
Alright, just one moment. Alright, I got checked in.
of course it's a handy customer, because why not? Finally got the next order. We're heading to, where are we going? Oh, Victor Rico's. This one is $7 and change, going 3.5 miles. Go ahead.
Do you need that? Yes, hi. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry.
AC?
This is for AC.
AC?
AC, yeah.
Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8, going 4 miles, only one item.
Welcome.
Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks. $9, going 3.5 miles. Just got the next order. This is going to be for Popeyes. $9, going 5 miles. They're giving me an add-on. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $11, going an extra 2 miles. Only one item. That is really good. I'm taking that for sure.
What's the name?
Joan and Lino.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. All right, let's make this quick so that chicken doesn't get cold on them. Okay, and then just a scribble on that line for me. Okay, I'm not getting orders, so let's just go home. Current time is 11:02. Total, we are at, I think, 98. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.